friends, it's me, Miss Angie. How are you? And thank you for joining me. Today I have a special treat, a game that we're gonna get to play together. This is called Stackers, and it is by Family Fun. It's a brick tower stacking game. What do you think this game is about? Do you think it's about cars and driving down a tower?
No.
No. Do you think it's about playing with animals?
No.
No. Do you think it's about stacking color blocks?
Yes.
Yes. Let's play together and find out more. This is Stackers by Family Fun. Let's get it set up. Okay, we have to stack our tower up. Might get loud. Let's do this together. So here we have all of our blocks, and we have to stack them up tall just to get the game started. Let's stack them up and put any color on top. 3 side by side and turn them the opposite way on the next level. Okay, almost there. There's green blocks, there's red blocks, and there's blue blocks. Let's put them all taller and taller. Now the object of the game is to roll the die. Here's the die that has different colors. And then we have to pick that color and put it on the top. By pushing it out carefully, we have to make the tower taller and taller. Once the tower falls, it's game over. Okay, here we go. The tower is ready, and here's the die. To make things more interesting, we're gonna name things that have that color when we get it. Okay, so here we go. Let's roll the die. I got blue, so I have to go find a blue one and put it on the top and making it the opposite way. I found one and I have to be careful. Okay, can you name something that is blue? Maybe like a blue sky, or maybe some blue shoes.
Blue sky or blue shoes.
Good job. Okay, let's roll it again. Ready? Can you say, I want to roll the die, please?
I want to roll the die, please.
Good job. And we got the color green. So now let's find a color green somewhere on the bottom and put it towards the top to make the tower taller. Here's one, and I have to be extra careful so that it doesn't fall. Can you name something that is green? Maybe like the green tree.
Green tree.
That's right. Okay, let's keep going. Can you say, I want to roll the die, please?
I want to roll the die, please.
Good job. And now we got the color red. Let's see which one of the red ones we can put on top. We have to be careful. But if it falls down, that's okay. Let's see. I want to put this red one here at the bottom. Uh-oh, it's nice and tight there. Let me try another one. I tap it, wiggle it out, and be very careful. Can you name something that is the color red? Maybe like, a red car.
Red car.
Good job. And we'll put it right on top. Okay, let's keep going. Can you say, I want to roll the die, please?
I want to roll the die, please.
Good job. And we roll it. We got the color green. Okay, let's find a green one and put it on top. Let's see. I see one here in the middle. Can you see it coming out from the front? There it is. Pull it, pull it. Be careful, Miss Angie. Okay, before we put it on top, can you name one thing that is green? That's good. I'm going to name, a green shirt.
A green shirt.
Good job. Okay, let's keep going. Can you say, I want to roll the die, please?
I want to roll the die, please.
Good job. And we roll it. We got the color blue. Okay, let's find a blue one that we can put on top. It's getting kind of sneaky down here. Whoa, I have to be extra careful. I found one. Can you see it coming out on this side? There it is. Tap, tap, tap. Ooh. Okay, we put it on top. Okay, can you name something that is blue? Maybe some blue jean pants. That's right. Or do you have some at home? Something that you have blue around you?
Some blue jean pants.
Good job. Okay, let's keep going. Can you say, I want to roll the die, please?
I want to roll the die, please.
Good job. And we roll it. We got another blue one. Let's go find a blue one that we can move to the top. I see. There's some tricky ones. Tap, tap. Let's see if this one on the bottom will come out. And once it comes out, I have to put it on the top. Start thinking about something that's blue. Look around your room. Do you see anything blue? Okay, tap, tap, tap. Oh no, it looks like this red one is coming out. I have to be extra careful. Okay, I got the blue one. Did you think of something blue?
Blue marker.
Yeah. I'm thinking of a blue marker. And I could put this one on top. Okay, it's starting to get wobbly, but that's okay. We keep going. Okay, can you say, I want to roll the die again?
I want to roll the die
Good
again.
job. And we roll it. We got a red one this time. Let's see if we can find a red one from the bottom to put to the top. Let's do a tap to see if we see any feel for any loose ones. That's not a loose one. Let me try this one in the middle. Do you see it coming out in the front? There it is. Okay. Now, can you think of something red or look around your room? Is there anything red around you? I'm thinking of a red lollipop.
Red lollipop.
And you have some at home too. Something red. Okay, can you say, put the red block on top?
Put the red block on top.
Good job. And we put it on top. It's starting to get taller and taller. Let's keep going. Can you say, it's time to roll the die again?
It's time to roll the die again.
Good job. And we roll the die. We got the color green. Let's find a green one that we can put on top. I have to be careful because it's starting to shake. I think I found one. Can you see it moving on this side? Tap, tap, tap with one finger. Tap, tap, tap. Be careful, Miss Angie. And I got it. Let's think of something that is green. Can you think of anything that's green or see anything around your room that's the color green? I'm thinking, what about a green
grass?
Green grass. That's something green, and I can put it on top. Okay, now it's time to roll the die again. Can you say, roll the die again, please?
Roll the die again, please.
Good job. And we roll it. We got the color blue. Let's find a blue one to put it on the top. We gotta be careful. I'm looking and I'm looking. I'm gonna use one finger to tap to see if it's a loose one. I don't feel any loose ones. I can't do that bottom one. Maybe I can do this one here on the top. Tap, tap. It's starting to wobble, but if it falls down, that means game over, and that's okay. We're having lots of fun. Tap, 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 tap. Nice and slow, Miss Angie. Okay, start thinking of something blue. Tap, tap. It's nice and tight there. Be careful, Miss Angie. Uh-oh. Okay, I have my blue block. Did you think of something blue? Do you see something around your room that's blue? It can be light blue or it can be dark blue. I'm thinking of the ocean. The ocean can be the color blue.
The ocean can be colored
Okay.
blue.
Can you say, put the blue block on top?
Put the blue block on top.
Good job. Let's keep going. I don't know how many more rounds we have, but we're doing good. And thank you for playing again with me. Ready? Can you say, roll the die, please?
Roll the die, please.
Good job. And we rolled the die. We got the color green. Let's find a green one that we can put on top. Not many more options. Let's do the one finger tap. Maybe I can get this one here at the bottom. Can you see it moving here at the bottom? And it's wobbly. Be careful, Miss Angie. Okay, we have the green one. Can you think of something green? Or look around your room. Do you see anything that is green? I'm thinking of something green. What about green grapes?
Green grapes.
I thought of something green. Can you say, put the green block on top?
Put the green block on top.
Good job. And we put it on top. Okay, it's time to roll the die. Can you say, time to roll the die, please?
Time to roll the die, please.
Good job. And we roll the die. We got the color blue. Let's see if we can find another blue one to move. We have to do the one finger tap. And be careful. If it falls, that means game over. But that's okay. It's suspenseful. And it fell over. That was a good game. Thank you for playing the Stackers game with me and naming things that have different colors. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.